Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about the Excel errors, like those errors you find when you're using Microsoft Excel or spreadsheets as you fit in your data in the tables, columns, and those rows. So I'm going to show you how those errors come about and how we can get rid of them, but in a very short and few steps. There's no need to worry about that because it's just 5 minutes to finish all the few or 5 errors that I have to show you right now. So to start with, shall start with the hash error. Now, this comes about as a result of your column being too narrow for the data you're fitting. So this will come, for example, like this. Let me say my column for total, this column G, was what? Was a little too narrow. Sorry. See? That's why we shall have the hash error. But in order for you to get rid of that small error, just need to expand your column a little, enough for it to, to fit your data. See? So now that's how we have gotten rid of the first error, the hash error. Next, we shall go for the hash value error. Yeah, shall be dealing with now the hash value error. So the hash value error comes up as a result of you, for example, remember, you can only subtract digits from digits, or numbers from numbers, not numbers from text. Yep. So in Excel, it's going to bring for you that error of hash value. For example, let me get here the column of J. I can put here total. Yeah. Then equals sum brackets. I get to the column C. Then I drag to F. Yeah. Brackets. Then I get the answer. I have 199, isn't it? Yeah. But then, if I come to the column of maths for Moses here, I remove the 89, and I put, let me say, a word like Amen. Yeah. Then you press enter. You're going to have the hash value where you were supposed to have the total for Amen. Yeah. So as I say, that one is just going to be, can be removed by you editing. Just come here on Amen, remove that, then you put back the 89, and the hash value is done. Then you come back here, you drag down, and we shall have our total back. Yeah. Another one is the hash name. Now the hash name comes as a result of you using a wrong name for a function. For example, we shall go back to that total column J. We shall press equals add brackets. Then you come to the column C of Moses, you drag to F, then you shift equals. You see, now we have our answer for Moses as hash name. So this is because like the hash name, like the name we use for our function add, does not exist in Microsoft Excel. The right name is sum. So we shall come and remove that, put equals sum brackets. We come back here and drag to F2 brackets, enter. So we have our total as 199. You come to the right corner, you drag, and there we have our total back. So next we have the hash ref. The hash ref is another error in Excel. This comes as a result of you using a particular column to form a data that you're going to put in another column, but then you delete that column you used. So for example, here on our column I for position, we use the column G total to rank the students like in their performance. So for example, if I come to this column G, then I delete it. Yeah, you highlight, you right click on that column, then this option comes up, then you come and delete that column. We shall have that hash ref here, as you can see in column H. Yeah, and if you want to solve that error, come back here, you undo. See, our positions are back as they were. Yeah. So those are just a few errors that I had for you. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned, and if you haven't, just go to the comment section, ask me any question of any error. But for now, till next time, thank you. For those who are not subscribed, please subscribe. Love you all. Thank you.